Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Sam's Club membership, full guide step by step clearly. To recover your Sam's Club membership, start by visiting the Sam's Club website. Look for the membership section at the top of the home page. Click on Renew or Sign In to access your account. If you have forgotten your login information, select the Forgot Username or Password link. Enter the required information, such as your email address or member ID. Check your email for a message from Sam's Club with instructions on how to reset your password. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. Once you've reset your password, go back to the Sam's Club website and sign in. After logging in, review your membership status on your account page. If your membership has expired, you will see an option to renew it. Choose the renewal option that suits you, such as a 1-year or a 3-year membership. Provide any necessary payment information to complete the renewal. If you prefer to recover your membership in person, visit your nearest Sam's Club location. Bring your member ID or a valid form of identification to the membership desk. A staff member will assist you in recovering or renewing your membership on site. Once your membership is restored, ask about any current promotions or benefits available. Enjoy your shopping experience and take advantage of your updated membership. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.